announce that I am ready to call a staff election.
The Batas ng Pambansa proclaims Ferdinand E. Marcos as a duly elected President of the Philippines.
Eddie, the time has come. Are you ready?
Bagsak ang Marcos! Ibalik ang demokrasya!
Ibagsak! Ibagsak! Ibagsak!
Hindi tayo ang dinaya! Ang dinaya ay ang ating bansa!
Ibagsak! Ibagsak!
Juan Ponce and Fidel Ramos announced break away from Marcos regime.
So help me God.
Enough is enough, Mr. President.
The Marcoses had fled the cup.